everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and this is our inner thigh workout that is going to help slim down your thighs, your inner thighs, and also promote a thigh gap. I personally do these exercises often because I naturally do not have a thigh gap, but exercising can help create the gap, though I know it is mostly genetics. So we are marching in sport right now and we are warming up our body, preparing it for this workout. Just continue marching in sport with me, and if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so that whenever I release a new video, you receive a notification. Plus, it really means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here. So much. And we are going to be beginning with the plie squat. Just get into position. We are going to focus on 10 to 12 of these. So we shall begin with 1 and 2. Tummy towards the spine. Keep breathing and make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Keep going. Feeling those inner thigh muscles tightening up. Just give me 2 more and 1 more. And next you want to get into the plie, and we are going to be holding it right there for as long as we can. Let's say 15 to 30 seconds. So just hold it right there, visioning that inner thigh gap forming. So I know it's really hot on there on those muscles, but just keep holding, keep going. You're doing a great job. Holding and holding and keeping in this position. We are going to begin with heel lift. So we shall begin with one side with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, keep going, and 8. You're doing a great job. And 9, give me 1 more, and 10. And the other leg, 1 and 2, those abs towards the spine, and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, keep going, and 8 and 9 and 10. So just get back up, and we want to get into side leg raises. So we shall begin kicking to the side. Extra bonus for sculpturing your waist. Keep steady, aiming for 10 to 12 of these. Give me 2 more, 1 more, and the other side. So 1 and 2, keep breathing, tummy towards the spine. Keep going, you're doing a great job. Give me 2 more and 1 more, and relax it out. Now we want to get into that plie position just one more time, and this time we are going to get down and we shall be raising both heels from the ground, beginning with 1, 2, 3, tummy towards the spine, keep breathing. Give me 1 more and get up. Next we want to get into the reverse lunge. So we shall begin with the right leg, bring it back. 2, 3, So try to keep the back leg straight. 5, 6, 7, 8. Give me 2 more and 1 more, and heading onto the other leg. Just get in position and we shall begin lunging backwards. Keep going. You're doing excellent. 1 more and relax it out. Now we want to repeat this whole set just 1 more time, beginning with the plie squat. Just get into position and we shall begin with 1 and 2. Tummy towards the spine. Keep going. Just 1 more. And we want to get into that position and we want to hold it right there, feeling that burn in your inner thighs, guys. It's killing me too. We want to hold this for about 30 seconds or whatever you can, 15, 20, it's all fine, but just keep going. You're doing a great job for as long as you can. Yeah, we have some 5 more seconds to go. Keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we want to still stay in that position and raise the heel and down. Raise and back. Raise and back. Raise. Just give me 1 more on this leg and this other side. Raise and back and back and back. Yeah, keep going. If you do ballet, this is just a walk in the park for you, right? Just give me 2 more and 1 more, and you want to get back up and we shall begin with the side leg raises. Give me 2 more. You're doing a great job. Don't lose balance like I'm trying to do over there. Just go as high as you can. And the other leg. This is a bonus for sculpting your waist as well. Give me 2 more and 1 more. And getting back into that plie, we are going to be raising both heels off the ground. So get into position and we shall begin with 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Give me 10. 2 more and 1 more. Well done. And you want to get back up. We are getting into that reverse lunge, beginning with the right leg and back, lunge and back. Try to keep the back leg straight and back, lunge and back, aiming for 10 to 12 of these as well, and back, back. Very good workout for the glutes as well. So hitting several birds with just 1 stone, guys. Give me 2 more and 1 more, and get back up, and the other leg, get into position and begin lunging it. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Tummy towards the spine. Keep breathing. Give me one more and relax it out. We want to close up with some stretching, beginning with the quadricep stretch. Just get hold of the leg, stretch out your hand. If you need support, you can hold on to the wall. Otherwise, we are holding this for 15 to 20 seconds, feeling that stretch in your quadricep muscles. Keep stretching out for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and the other side. Keep stretching for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get into that lunge stretching or moving side to side. Just get into that squat position and begin moving side to side. Feeling that good stretch in your legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and you want to get into that hamstring stretch. Just stretch out your right leg to the back, and we want to hold this right there as well. 20 to 15 seconds holding it. Keep breathing. Stretching is very important, a very important part for every good workout. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and the other side. These stretches are also very good for the workout that we have done today, so another bonus as well. Keep stretching it out, and we want to continue holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get up and breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, everyone. A high five if you made it this far with me. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up or a comment if you have anything to tell me, a question. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Hit the bell button so that every time I upload a new video, you receive notifications. Plus, it means a lot to me if you get to join my growing family on here. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.